Why this ignition coil bolt, like in that one, why this is so important and why we have to tighten and fasten this bolt in 10 Newton meters force. Why this is so important, this bolt in our engines. And in some engines there is no any bolt, and if you notice that in your car there is no any bolt in this ignition coils, then you can think that this your ignition coil engineering is poor quality. And please go to check that in your cars includes also this steel bolt, and if you don't have this bolt in your car, you can purchase this Lexus engine, Toyota engine, or Acura engine, or Honda engine, and then you have these bolts in your car. And that's I recommend these 4 engines where is this bolt in ignition coils. And of course, why I need bolts in my these ignition coils. Why I need bolts in my cars, SUVs or trucks, these ignition coils. And there is really bolt what keeps these ignition coil in position. And why this bolt is so important when we think that in engineering mind and engineering, quality engineering things. This purpose is that when this bolt is in tight in here, like in this area, when we look at another area, we can see comparison that why this is so important. When these ignition coils are tight, like in here and in here, then when engine runs in high performance, in high speed, when these parts are like tight and joined together, then this spark plug works always in best performance, 100% way. But then if we have engineering that this is only like small this compression in here, only press, then when engine runs and jumps, sometimes this coil can jump so up, like in that way, that this spark plug is not working, because now connection is end between the spark plug. And look that how this is really possible. We have in this spark plug inside in here, and then when this part moves in that way, all time when it goes in this direction, there is no any spark in this area. And if you notice that in your car there is this spark plugs and no any bolts in here, that no any bolts, like in this way, then you can think that your cars, SUVs or trucks engineering is weak, and weak engineering, like bad engineering. But if you notice that in your car is these bolts, steel bolts in here, then you can think, and they are tight, like in this one and this one, in that way, then you can think that you have good engineering. But if they are loosened, then you can think that you have weak engineering. And now I repair this my weak engineering in condition, and I take 10 millimeter socket and wrench spanner, and I take this 10 Newton meters force. Okay, and now this my engine ignition coils bolts, they are ready to use. And this is this video's information to you.